Hello, what is up everybody? Welcome to How to Guide YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can send videos in Gmail using your PC and your Android, both of them. So yeah, it's 2-in-1. So let's get right into the video. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video, and let's dive right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is on Android. So to send videos in Gmail using your Android is you need to have Google Drive on your phone. Basically, Google Drive is an app which is going to be already on your phone. But if you do not have it, looks just like this. You can download it from your Play Store by typing in DRIVE on your Play Store and downloading it. Then you can click on Drive over here. After clicking on Google Drive, your Google Drive opens up. Now you cannot go to your Gmail and directly upload a video on your Gmail and send it to somebody. To send it to your friend, basically what you want to do is you want to click on this plus icon. After clicking on this plus icon, you want to click on where it says upload. You want to click on upload, and it's going to show you all the video available in your phone. So this is the video which is available in my phone, so I'm going to click on this over here and click on allow to allow this to access my phone, and wait for some time. The file is being uploaded to my drive over here. After it's uploaded, what you want to do is you want to find the video which is uploaded on your phone. As you guys can see over here on files, this video is being uploaded, so wait for some time until the video is uploaded. And as you guys can see, my video over here is uploaded. After the video is uploaded, you want to click on this three dot. Once you click on this three dot, there's going to be a share option. You want to click on the share option, and on the share option over here, you can type the email of the person to whom you want to send this. So let me type the email of my friend over here. I can type the email of my friend over here, and if I want to add a message, I can add it, and I can just click on this button, and if the email is correct, then it's going to be shared. As you guys can see, you are sending an invitation over here, and I can click on share, and it will be shared. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can send videos in Gmail from Android. Now let me jump into PC. So as you guys can see, I'm on my Google over here on my desktop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in into my Google account. I'm going to click on this tab looking icon and click on where it says Drive. Once I click on Drive, it's going to take me to my Google Drive. Now over here, I'm going to upload a video real quick. I'm going to click on New, and I'm going to click on File Upload, and I'm going to choose the video which I want to upload. So let's say this is the video which I want to upload. I'm going to click on it, wait for some time until the video uploads over here. After the video is uploaded, I can just right click on this video, click on share, and after I click on share, I can enter the email of the person over here. And after entering the email of the person, let me just enter an email. And after entering its email, I can just click on done, and it will be sent to the person. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it on your PC. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I will see you guys in my new video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.